All right, when you see this sort of problem, the first thing you want to do is try to extract out as much of the information as you can. So I would just take a piece of scrap paper and right away start extracting things out. So okay, so far I've just looked into the problem, extracted these things. I can do a little bit more to this. So this first one, so if it's 0.22% gold by mass, what that means, this is something I can expand. 0.22 grams of gold per 100 grams of the ore. This is probably the key step of the whole thing, is this one right here. Also, density of the ore, so that converts grams of the ore to centimeters cubed of the ore. $818 will buy me 1 troy ounce of gold. And then this is just for converting the units. 14.6 troy ounces is equal to 1 pound. 1 pound is equal to 454 grams. And so we want to look into the problem. And the problem is asking us how many centimeters cubed. So what volume of gold can we get at the end? And for a certain amount of money. So for $100. All right, and then the nice thing about having all this written out is, so the only thing in the entire problem that deals with money is this one. Okay, so that's the only one that can take me anywhere. 818 for 1 troy ounce. Okay, and then I've used that one. Okay, right now I'm sitting at troy ounces. The only one of these that has that's left that has anything to say about troy ounces is this one right here, and 14.6 troy ounces is 1 pound. Okay, that one's gone now. The only one that has anything that's left that has anything to say about a pound is this one. 1 pound is 454 grams. All right, so right now we're sitting at grams, and they're asking how much of the ore do we need to buy, and so far we're talking about gold still. So this is the purchase price for gold. So we need to get from gold to ore. And this is the only thing that will allow us to convert between gold and ore. So 0.22 grams of gold are contained in 100 grams of the ore. Oh, backwards. Try that again. Have to buy a lot of the ore to get a little bit of the gold. Okay, and then finally one more conversion. This, if I put this all into the calculator, would give me grams of the ore that I need to buy. And right now, this is the only one that oh, sorry, yeah, right here, this converts between grams and centimeters cubed of the ore. So 1 centimeter cubed of ore is equal to 8 grams of the ore. Okay, so I'll put all of that into the calculator. Okay, so 2.16 times 10 to the second power centimeters cubed, or without scientific notation, 216 centimeters cubed of the ore. It's the amount of ore that must be processed in order to obtain $100 worth of gold.